Eighth number card of the major arcana, strength. It talks about your courage, your influence, your inner strength, your ability. Sometimes it talks about your lower energy, your immaturity also. In the picture, we can see woman has tamed the wild animal with her loving and calming energy. Here the lion represents our raw emotions and desires also. Woman is taming this animal instincts in a positive way with her inner strength and courage. Her white dress, white robe, which represents the purity. Flowers around her shows nature in its fullest form. The infinity symbol, which shows her wisdom and potential. If this card comes in a reading, it shows your inner strength and power and ability to overcome any obstacles. You need to be patient as well as calm. Things could be slow, but not to worry, and don't try to control the situation. Instead, use your inner strength to overcome the problems. When this card comes in a reading, it shows your inner strength and power and ability is required to overcome any problems or obstacles. You need to be patient and calm because things are slow as of now. Don't try to control others and the situation. Instead, believe on your inner strength and just fight with the situation with your courage. It also shows delay if you are going through rough time. This card shows be courageous and work hard with your determination to get long-term benefit. This card also shows you need to control on your negative aspects of your life like anger, self-confidence, etc. Strength card belongs to Leo zodiac. So there is possibility when this card comes in a reading, it talks about you might deal with someone Leo in coming future, or might be presently you are dealing with someone Leo, or you need to carry the Leo energy within you in order to get the good results. So when this card comes in a reading, while looking at the picture, what you can get, situation is favorable around you, though it is going to be difficult for you or it may take more time. So you need to be patient, you need to be courageous, you need to be influential in order to achieve your desired result. In negative reading, this card shows your immaturity, your low energy. You might be self-doubting yourself. You are not able to face the situation, or you are not ready to face the situation because of lot of difficulties. Also, this card shows if you need help, definitely you will be extended help by someone Leo energy. This card actually talks on the strength and it talks on the hard work. Though this card talks about struggle and hardship, but it also talks if you will work hard, if you will be courageous enough, if you will be focused, in long run you are going to get your desired result, and that is going to be wonderful in future.